Hello, Nan. Good evening.
Hello.
Wow, you're wearing an eyeglasses. Very good to protect your eyes from the screen. All right, can you hear me well? Hello.
Yes.
Can you? Oh, there you are. How
Yes.
are you, Nan?
I'm fine, thanks.
Nice. What did you do today?
I'm eat.
You had dinner. What did you have for dinner?
I have a meat,
Wow.
soup, rice, and fish.
Wow. Very yummy and healthy. Okay, so for tonight, we are still going to learn about fruits. Can you still remember the fruits that we learned last week? What are the fruits that we learned? We have
We have a
we have
pear,
jackfruit,
mango,
pear,
plum,
mango.
pineapple, kiwi, cherry, plum.
Wow, that's nice, Nan. All right, so for tonight, let's continue to learn. Look, listen, and repeat.
Custard apple,
Custard apple.
Glass apple, glass aloe,
Oh, one more, Nan. Custard.
cactus,
Apple.
apple,
Very good. Okay, custard apple.
cactus apple,
Nice.
Durian.
durian.
Very. Do you like durian? Do you like?
No.
No, it smells terrible, right? All right, now look.
Starfruit.
Red. Styrofoam.
Very good. What color is the star fruit?
It colored uh the yellow.
Yes, it is yellow. Do you like a star fruit?
Mm,
Do you like a star fruit?
no,
Oh,
it's a sour.
custard apple. Yes, sour. What about custard apple? Do you like? Nan, do you like a custard apple?
No,
Oh, I understand.
passion
Now look,
fruit,
passion.
no.
Say passion fruit.
Huh? What's that? Yummy! It's a dragon fruit.
Yes, what about passion fruit? Do you like passion fruit? Do you like passion fruit?
Passion fruit? I don't know.
Yes.
Passion fruit.
Do you like?
No,
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 it's very sour.
no.
Okay, now
Dragon
look.
fruit.
This is
The
your favorite.
dragon fruit.
This is your favorite, right? All right. Do you have a
Yes.
dragon fruit? Do you have a dragon fruit, Nan?
No.
No. All right. Now look.
Blueberry.
Listen and repeat.
Blueberry.
Blueberry. Very good. All right. Now, which
Blueberry.
one do you like best? Passion fruit or blueberry?
Mm, I like dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit, of course. Now, look and answer the question. Oh, look and write. Do you like fruit? Do you like? All right, look and write your answer.
Oh,
You can do it, Nan.
okay. Pop, 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 boy, bee. But, but.
Look, Nan. Look and write your answer.
Okay.
What is this?
Oh, it's a brown fruit.
That's
Okay.
right. It's a passion fruit. Can you write?
Okay.
That's right. Okay, now answer the question. Do you like passion fruit? Do you like
Huh?
passion fruit?
No.
What will you say? No, I don't.
No. I don't.
Very good.
No,
Now
I
look
don't.
at the second picture. What fruit is this? What is this? All right. Do you like a star fruit? Do you like star fruit?
No, I don't. I don't like stop fruit.
Nice. Okay, what fruit is this? What fruit is this?
Um,
All right. So it is CUSTARD. Do you like custard apple?
No, I don't. I
All
like
right. So for this, you got 3 out of 4. So I'm going to give you 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's so cute. What's the name of your stuffed toy? What's the name of that?
it. Meow meow.
Meow meow. All right, that's nice. Okay, so let's play a game. It's all about plants versus zombies or fruits versus zombies. So I want you to help
It's a
him
meow meow.
save his garden. Okay, now look. Oh, what happened?
Flash and zombie. Dum dum dum
Yes,
dum dum dum
let's
dum
help.
dum.
Da-da-da-ding. Oh no.
Bum 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 bum.
All right. So look at this one. What is this? What is this?
I don't know. Yeah.
What
Okay.
is this?
Oh, well.
What's your answer? What's your answer, Nan?
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yes, that's right. Very good. Okay,
Okay.
now what fruit is this?
Me baby birthday from my dad.
Yes, it is a pear. Nice. Okay, what fruit are they? They're your favorite.
No, no, Roma, no. It a bad food.
That's right.
Gambia.
Very good. Circle your answer, Nan.
Okay.
All right. Is that Monday? No. Look, dragon fruit. Very good. Okay, what are they?
Yes. Monday. Monday. Wow. No.
What are
Oh,
they?
oh. And then sometimes
Are they star fruit and lime or star fruit and plum?
No.
What's your answer? Circle your answer, Nan. What are they? What are they? That's right, star fruit and plum. How about these? What are these?
Okay.
What's your answer?
Okay.
Circle your answer, Nan. Yes,
It's a Monday,
Jordan and
October.
strawberry. Very good.
It's a
Okay,
Monday,
how about
October.
these?
It's October.
Yes, today is October 6th and it's Monday. So what are these?
No. Yeah. It is not good. Rover. Rover.
Are these longan and rambutan,
Run.
jackfruit and longan and passion fruit, or longan and guava? What's your answer? Circle it. That's right. Okay, do you like longan? Do you like to eat this?
Yeah. Sweet.
Yes, of course. Okay, now look, what can you see? What can you see?
Rover.
It is. Is it coconut and star fruit, sapota and jackfruit, coconut and longan, or coconut and guava?
Coconut and Rover.
That is right. Do you like coconut?
No.
Yes. All right. So this time I want you to find and match. So look, what is inside of this fruit? So this is
Sunshine.
orange.
Sunshine.
Okay, now what about this one?
What this?
It is rambutan. It's rambutan.
Bye. Oh.
So what's inside of that? Rambutan. Or how about this one? What's that? What's that? Very good. Nice. Okay, what about these two? Look. Yes, that's perfect, Nan. So for this, you got a perfect score of 6 out of 6. So I'm going to give you 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good, Nan. Okay, now this time, what did you learn tonight? What did you learn tonight?
A lot of
What?
food. A lot of food.
Very good. What else?
It's a pear, mango.
Very good. What else?
Hello.
What else? Pear,
Mango,
mango.
black, pineapple, kiwi,
Nice. Oh no, tonight,
crunchy
tonight,
apple,
tonight, tonight only, tonight, tonight. We learn about custard apple. What else? Just tonight.
crushy apple,
Okay, what else?
crushy apple, durian,
Durian. Very good. What
straw
else? Anything else?
fruit, vegetable fruit, dragon, guava,
Okay, passion fruit.
coconut, dragon fruit,
Okay, dragon fruit.
star fruit,
Star fruit.
star fruit,
Then we have rambutan,
kiwi,
longan, coconut. What
rambutan,
else?
rambutan,
Plum. Okay,
what
so
this
this
is?
time,
Rambutan.
let's play a game. Okay, I want you to listen to teacher and write the correct spelling. Okay, so number 1, spell the word custard apple.
Rambutan.
Custard apple.
Huh?
I want you to spell the
Grass,
word
bubble,
cus custard apple. Custard apple. Custard apple. All right. So look, this is how we spell it. Custard. Custard apple. Okay, now next. Rambutan. Rambutan.
Rambutan.
Yes.
Rambutan. Rambutan. Okay.
R.
Okay. Ram-
Rambutan.
Rambutan. Rambutan. The rambutan. Rambutan.
That Rambutan. 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 All right. So here, let's play another game. I'm going to show you a picture
It's the
and you tell me the meaning. All right, let's
no
play another
end.
game. Okay. Look at the picture and tell me, what fruit is this? What is this? Oh no. Look, what fruit is this? Look, Nan. Hello, Nan. Look, what is this? Hello.
It's a longan.
Very good. How about this one? What's this?
It's a rambutan.
Rambutan. Very
It's a
good. What is
rambutan.
this?
Oi.
What is this?
Oh.
Look, Nan.
It's dragon fruit.
That's right. So I'm going to give you
The
additional
dragon
3 more
fruit.
stars. Okay, so for
Oh.
tonight, you've got 12 stars in total. Thank you so much for joining our class. I hope that you learned something and see you next time. Bye, Nan.